Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Mazda 6 faster. We'll explore simple modifications that can significantly improve your car's acceleration and overall performance. First, upgrading your air intake allows your engine to breathe more efficiently, leading to a noticeable power bump. Next, a performance exhaust system reduces restrictive back pressure, freeing up hidden horsepower. These initial steps are great for an immediate impact. Let's dive deeper into those first two upgrades. A quality cold air intake system can provide a noticeable gain, often around 5 to 10 horsepower, by delivering cooler, denser air to your engine. When choosing an exhaust, a catback system is a popular choice, enhancing both sound and exhaust flow without affecting emissions components. Always verify that any parts you select are specifically designed for your Mazda 6 model to ensure proper fitment and performance. Beyond bolt-ons, an engine control unit or ECU tune can unlock significant power by optimizing your car's fuel and ignition timing. This software adjustment can yield impressive gains, especially when combined with other modifications. Don't forget the basics. Regular maintenance, like fresh spark plugs and clean filters, ensures your engine is running at its peak efficiency. Also, consider lightweight wheels. Reducing unsprung weight by 15 pounds per corner can improve acceleration and handling. When pursuing these upgrades, always prioritize reputable brands known for quality and performance. While some modifications are DIY-friendly, professional installation is often recommended for complex parts like ECU tunes or exhaust systems to ensure everything functions safely and optimally. Remember, even small improvements can add up to a more exhilarating driving experience. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.